a serious practitioner, you see, the more serious effort is very necessary. Without that, just you see, a short prayer and some chanting and some recitation with mala, that's not sufficient. I can't change your mind. Our negative emotion is, I think, so powerful. So in order to challenge that, we need, I think, the constant effort. Through that way, yes, definitely we can change. But usually I responded to my Western friends, their question or their request, the quickest and easiest and most effective. Then perhaps another question, cheapest. So that's, I think, impossible. That's impossible. I think that is, I usually feel that is a sign of failure. Sign of failure.
Your Holiness, what is the difference between self-realization and God-realization?
I don't know.
Your Holiness say that you are free from suffering?
Oh, certainly not. Lot of suffering. And currently some suffering here. Voice, coughing. That also a kind of suffering.